You may have heard of Kate Cox. She's somewhat become the prime example of what the reality of abortion bans are like in states like Texas. Her baby was diagnosed with trisomy 18, a rare condition in which 9 out of 10 babies don't make it past a year. Some do, but most don't. Now, Cox wanted to be at home. She wanted to cry into her pillow, hold her babies. She didn't want to have to leave the state to get care. Now, doctors explained to her that because of her previous C-sections, she was already at risk, and that having another C-section would put her at risk of never being able to have children again. They agreed that, given the circumstances, she fell under Texas's narrow exceptions to get an abortion. So she tried to sue the state to basically allow herself to have an abortion and to protect herself, her husband, her doctor from Texas's law that makes it illegal to aid someone in getting an abortion. A lower court even granted that exception and said that under the exceptions in the law, she could get that abortion. But Texas Attorney General Ken Paxton wasn't having it, and he took the case all the way to the Supreme Court. But that was taking too long. So Cox ended up having to leave the state to get care. While they were away, Texas Supreme Court ruled that Cox actually wasn't sick enough to get care and that she didn't fall within the exceptions that were in the law. So even if she'd stayed in Texas, she wouldn't have gotten the care she needed anyway. Which really begs the question, what exceptions does Texas actually have?